Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have 69 reg BMW X1 X-Drive. 69 reg BMW X1 X-Drive, front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, opening panoramic roof, one owner with full service history. Heated leather seats with Isofix, heated seats, instruction manuals in here. Electric rear windows, Isofix rear seats, two USB-Cs in the middle, electronic tailgate, set of overmats we're leaving in the vehicle obviously. There's your inflation kit and locking wheel nut in there, never been used, brand new. To shut the tailgate, push that button, touch the tailgate. So BMW X1 X-Drive 2 litre I, petrol. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, lock, unlock the vehicle, height adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Vehicle's done 29,314 miles. To start the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake, push this button here, and the vehicle starts. Pocket here with a power outlet there, drinks holders. The roof, you can push this button here, and it tilts. You can push it again, and the roof opens all the way. There's a wind deflector here, stop the wind coming into the vehicle. Stops there, but you can go back a little bit further if you wish. This shuts it. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides, and you can shut the blinds if you wish. This will come all the way. Heated seats both sides. USB here, this pocket, nice handy pocket. This armrest lifts up, so a storage compartment there. Cruise control, speed limiter, telephone button, voice activation. You can move these where you wish. Navigation there. This means park assist, so the vehicle will park for you if you wish. You have front and rear parking sensors. There. Dual climate. Dual climate. This is your stop start button here. These if you wish to drive Tiptronically. And you can change this menu in here with this button here. You can change these menus here whichever you wish, miles per gallon, temperature, everything. Front and rear parking sensors, as you can see. This controls this up here. You can, whatever you wish really, connected drive, radio, DAB radio. Lots of different options. This screen, obviously automatic. To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. That turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.